Here I've got UMIDIGI One Pro, and let me show you all the secret codes that can be used on this device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, *4636 ###. And as you can see, this one will open test mode, and here you can come along with phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. Let's start with phone information, and here you can check email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service. Also, you can perform a ping test here, just click on run ping test, and then you've got the answer below. Just come along with some further details a bit lower, and then smoothly go back. Under usage statistics, you can check the, for example, usage time of some app. Here you've got the settings, 7 minutes 41 seconds, and also last time used. So here you've got the hour. Let me go back, and under Wi-Fi information, you can find details regarding to your Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So for example, if you would like to check your current Wi-Fi status, just click here, then tap on refresh, and here you've got the answer. Also, this mode allows you to perform a ping test, just click here, and then here you've got the solution. So let's go back, and it's time for the second code, and that is *##, 426 #**. And as you can see, now we are in diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and also status, and if you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon and then select advanced view, and as you can see, you've got way more details once it's active. And that would be all for this one. The third code is super useful, and it is *## 225 ***. And as you can see, this one will provide you with all calendar info, so you will have here all events, celebration, important dates from your Google Calendar, from your device's internal storage. So from now on, you will not forget about any important event. So just enter this code and then check the upcoming events. And the last code, the shortest one, is *## 06 #. And this one will show you both email numbers assigned to your UMIDIGI One Pro, so you can smoothly enter this short code and then check this unique number. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.